Hi Lakshmi. So it's World Environment Day and we wanted to play a small game. I am going to read out some sentences, and if this is something that you have done, if you relate to it, I want you to do a thumbs up, and if not, thumbs down. Okay? I have planted a tree. I have carried my own water bottle when I go out. I take public transport when I travel. I switch off lights and fans when nobody is there. Okay, great. Do you reuse paper bags that you end up getting? I take public transport when I travel. I have participated in a cleanup drive. The World Environment Day is coming up, and I wanted to know, what is one thing that you do on a regular basis that you feel helps the environment?
On regular basis, I think I always carry a water bottle.
I use that water filter water, which is the wastewater. I keep it collect in one of the biggest bucket at my house, and I use it to wash my all the utensils and vessels every day to clean it up.
Beginning when I joined to United Way of Bengaluru, I started this plag run related. So it's very funny moment, but also learn a lot of things.
Started doing segregating waste right now. That is something which I'm learning. I'm in the process of learning as well, because like sometimes I find it really difficult to segregate them whether it is wet or dry. So I have to really do some research, and but I am progressing well in that. Consciously I'm doing that right now.
Any one message about World Environment Day that you would like to share?
So one message for everybody I would say, try to, because nowadays we use plastic everywhere. If you're like doing anything at all, you're using plastic. So try and avoid as much as you can. So yeah, that would be your bit towards the environment.